Welcome to the Titanium Energy Services Operational Health and Safety video series. In this video, we will emphasize the significance of winterizing our equipment. Our heavy machinery must function flawlessly year-round, even during the frigid winter months. Winterizing our equipment is vital to ensure it operates efficiently in sub-freezing temperatures. Failing to follow proper winter maintenance procedures can lead to severe equipment damage, resulting in costly repair bills. Here are the essential daily checks you should perform when operating our machinery in winter weather. Battery. Protect the battery from extreme cold to prevent excessive draining. A warm battery functions better than a cold one. Our equipment is equipped with a battery disconnect that should be engaged to safeguard the battery from electrical drain. Tires. Clear snow or ice from the tires and, when possible, park on planks to prevent the tires from freezing to the ground. Regularly check tire pressure. Fuel. Refill the fuel tank at the end of each day. A full tank is less likely to produce ice than a partially filled one. Add diesel treatment or fuel additives for lower temperatures. Failure to switch to cold weather fuel could lead to diesel gelling in the lines, causing fuel system blockages. Empty the water separator to prevent water from freezing and causing damage. Antifreeze. Use antifreeze suitable for the lowest expected temperatures in cold weather. Ensure the engine is cool before adding antifreeze to your machine. Engine oil. Switch to the required synthetic oil for our units before winter. While 5W40 synthetic oil may be slightly more expensive than conventional oils, it offers better performance in cold conditions. The 5W represents appropriate viscosity at lower temperatures compared to a 15W oil. The W stands for winter in the oil grade, and the second number indicates the oil's thickness when the engine warms up. Higher viscosity oils in the winter flow more smoothly and place less strain on your engine during cold start. Cold weather engine starting. Use an engine warmer to thaw the engine block and make it easier to start. Run the engine until it reaches its full operating temperature before commencing operation. Never operate the equipment with a cold engine. You may need to warm up the engine for 5 minutes and increase the RPM to 1,000 revs per minute to effectively warm and lubricate the engine block. Operating with a cold engine can cause exhaust or intake valve sticking. Air intake. Always check the air intake for snow or ice at the end of the day. Snow and ice can melt during storage and refreeze when taken back out into the element. Shutting down for the day. Allow sufficient time for the engine to cool down before shutting it off in the winter.